this message really is in support. It's really in greater support of everything and everyone. Ideally, that's what we're doing. Ideally, that's what we're doing when we're creating more. And if we're not, it will fall apart. It will fall apart. The systems that are not supporting everyone, they will fall apart because they're not the truth of life. I'll get back to my story in a second. The truth of life that it's always growing, expanding. See those flowers back there? I think this is going to be the thing for this guy right here. It's growing and expanding. It's growing and expanding, and it's giving. I know this is from the florist, so it's not like in nature in the way it should be. So we could, this is interrupted by human, woman. But it's growing and expanding, and it's contributing the whole time. Nature is designed that every single thing is contributing. Even the hardships are contributing. So if you can apply that to your life too, even the hardships of your life are contributing. They are asking you to grow, because the truth of life is it continues to grow. That's why more is in that the title of this workshop 3 times. And I know mormor means grandma in Sweden. Mormor, so many grandmas in this room. No, just kidding. More, it's just you as a creative person, it's like there's something that called you to be more of yourself, to express more of yourself, because we know what it feels like when we're not doing that.